Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make typing animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So just select insert and go to shapes and select text box. So you can just for like so and make a text for example. And I'm going to resize and well, just for the position and just click the text and go to animation, select appears and select animation pen, and you can click this effect option and go to animate text, select white letter and adjust for the 0.1 second delay between letters. Just click OK. So here we go. So it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.